Rahul, Ejaz, Nikita, Pavitra have a good chance to go ahead. Jasmine has a great
Yeah.
chance to go ahead. Salman sir has done so many seasons of Big Boss. I can continue to do a lot many more seasons of Big Boss. Being a single child, there's a lot of talking in me that is left.
Hi Karan, welcome to Box Office India. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. How has the whole lockdown been for you?
Brilliant. I loved it. I wish that the government gives us such lockdowns every year. I think it's very important. I honestly think it's very important because uh, for the last few days that I've been noticing what's happening in Mumbai. Firstly,
Yeah.
it's raining when it shouldn't rain. Secondly, it is extremely hazy, which is very weird.
Yeah.
Uh, and unfortunately, I went on. I had gone somewhere, and the amount of honking that I've heard. I think we should make this a 40-day plan for every year that you are not allowed to go anywhere. You should
Go.
just sit
Yeah.
and enjoy the weather. Because I think in the lockdown, we saw a sky that's literally blue in a decade.
Absolutely. That's so
But
true. That's so true.
but jokes apart, yeah, I think it was fun. I had a good time. I honestly think I needed it. Uh, though this wasn't the best way to get it, but
Yeah.
I had my good moments where I spent a lot of time with myself. I spent a lot of time in my house. Then I also got to work in the lockdown because I was shooting for a show from home. So I learned the entire idea of working from home also. So it was fun.
Great, that's good to know. So coming to Big
Yeah,
Buzz, it's a new
yeah,
show, it's a new concept. Can you
yeah.
just elaborate on what the show will be all about?
I think it's simple. It's kind of since a sister concern of Big Boss. Uh,
Sister
uh,
concern. I
yeah,
like
I
how you're
think that's a
using that word.
yeah.
Yeah.
It is because it's because
Yeah.
it's a part of Big Boss. Yet
Hmm.
uh, it's not completely part of Big Boss. Yet it's a completely individual entity in it. So it's basically going to be coming on Woot from the
Yeah.
19th, and I think the major if I had something to describe the show, I think on other reality
Yeah.
shows or other non-fiction shows, as a host, I only used to talk to people when they were a part of the show.
Yeah.
Here, I will only talk to people who
When
are
they're not.
evicted
No.
from Big Boss.
Yeah.
So I think it'll be very different in that perspective because eventually we'll obviously know about their journey and we'll obviously know about their entire perspective of what they have
Yeah.
about Big Boss or Stay or other people or as a matter of fact, what do they think? Why the audience did not vote for them? Uh,
Yeah.
uh, but at the same time we're going to also make sure that the real audience जो हमारे बिग बॉस के असली फैंस हैं I think
Hmm.
this is like a double dhamaka Diwali dhamaka for them because it's brilliant for them. They watch Big Boss and then
Yeah, and then they.
they get to see the same contestants on this show. Also, they get to win prizes because I'll be asking them multiple questions every week.
Oh, great.
And everything will be about Big Boss. So it was fun. It's actually a fun concept. It's happened before. Priyank has done one season. Apar Shakti has done one
Yeah.
season. I just hope I can make it bigger and better and like Salman sir has done so many seasons of Big Boss, I can continue to do a lot many more seasons of Big Boss.
Well, we hope so too. So, as a host, we've seen you host a lot of shows. What how do you manage to, make sure that you're getting fresh? You look fresh, like you get new
Yeah.
content to say, you get new content to portray yourself. How do you manage to do that?
I don't know, yaar. I think it's just I feel I love talking, and I think being a single child, there's a lot of talking in me that is left because I've grown I've grown up not having anybody around me. So also I feel because probably I'm an actor, I have this knack of you know just observing people. So
Yeah.
I think my content comes from there probably.
Hmm.
Also, also I'm very non-judgmental, so I think I can put across anything in a good way or in a political way, so that I can get my content, what I
Yeah.
need. And also, I personally feel it does get difficult. I'm sure you're also a host, you're an anchor. Uh, it definitely also, it definitely gets difficult talking to the same people. Like,
Yeah.
I've had interviews with you prior, but eventually, how you can make it more interesting, I feel, is the game. And
Yeah.
till the time you're
Absolutely.
succeeding at that, uh, eventually, as a host, your entire pharma is going to be the same. You're going to be the host only,
Yeah.
and there won't be too many new questions that are going to pop out. But there can be new moments and new on the fly things
Yeah.
that you can be aware of. So I feel I make sure that I try to do that. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. So I feel when it doesn't, I go back home and I learn from the mistakes. That's all I can do.
That's great. That's great. So have you been following Big Boss? Like, and who do you
I
think
have
would
been.
who do
This
you think
actually
would
is
win?
after so many years. I'm
Yeah.
actually following Big Boss religiously because that's my homework. Uh,
Yeah.
I have to because I can't place a question to someone and then they counter question me and I don't know about it.
Yeah.
Um, I don't know who's going to win because that's very uncertain in Big Boss. And
Yeah.
now, because I'm not just a viewer, I'm also the host of Big Boss.
Yeah. So you
I'm just
can't.
trying to be neutral. Because there
Yeah.
are a lot of friends of mine inside the house who I know,
Yeah.
not on a very personal level, but I feel Rahul, Ejaz, Nikita, Pavitra have a good chance to go ahead. Jasmine has a great
Yeah.
chance to go ahead because also I think all these five people that I've just named,
Yeah.
they're all poles apart. I feel. And
Yeah.
I think Big Boss also, and the fans of Big Boss
Yeah.
eventually want to keep different characters in the house.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they wouldn't want to keep five best friends in the house because it's not picnic. It's definitely
Yeah.
not a picnic. So they'll
Yeah.
probably want to keep people who are at either loggerheads or have some kind of a romance or are individually very interesting. It can be irritating, it can be funny, it can be anything. But
Yeah.
I think these profile have a great chance to go till the end.
This just proves that you've done your homework quite well till now.
No, no,
You've been
I हाँ, मतलब, see the thing is, as an anchor you have to. It's
yeah.
unfortunately a very thankless job, but but eventually for your own peace
Yeah.
of mind, you need to do your homework.
True. So would you ever go inside the house?
Yeah, I have been offered the show a lot of times, and
Yeah.
in the past, I clearly said that I don't want to go in the house because it's
Yeah.
just not the space that I am. Um, but I think over the years, what's happened is I feel I also am constantly working in the time frame when Big Boss usually comes. So I have an easier way out. You know, but I feel it's a game show. I wouldn't say, I would definitely never say never, but
Yeah.
I feel I don't know if I'm ready for my personal space to be invaded this much.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, like
that's yeah.
yeah. So and Big Boss is about that. It's about making yourself an open book, and and I just feel that's a very uh, it's also scary
Yeah.
because I feel whatever everyone is in the house and whoever is gone in the house till now, there are friends who've gone. How they were in the house probably was a part of their personality. But what people think eventually is that that's you.
Yeah.
That is not possible because I think in real life nobody stays like that. Like nobody stays under camera. Nobody
Yeah.
stays under
In
the
isolation.
surveillance of yeah, exactly, and all the things that they don't get. So I
Yeah.
feel the Big Boss as a show, it's definitely the toughest reality show that I feel is there.
Well, I hope you change your mind and go someday. My last question would be, since Diwali is coming, what are your plans for Diwali?
I'm having nothing to do with going out. I stopped bursting crackers around 10 years back
Nice. That's good to
because
know.
so I'll probably be home mostly either in Mumbai or if I get time, I like a big space in middle of my shoots. I would
Yeah.
like to go back home and just spend Diwali with family because I think that's what Diwali every year has been usually. But I would definitely not be going to any of the Diwali parties
Party.
because I feel it's just. I think we can let go of a
Yeah.
Diwali party this year. We've had enough to jelofy in 2020.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want 2021 also to start like that. Though the
Absolutely.
way we are going, it doesn't look like it wouldn't.
Don't say that.
No,
Let's
I'm
just
just
be
being very frank.
positive.
No, this is definitely not the time to be positive.
Yeah, true that. That's also there.
let's. I think let's just. This is what I'm telling
Let's
all
just
my
be
friends. I'm
neutral.
telling, yeah, let's just be neutral. Let's also be super paranoid so
Yeah.
that this doesn't increase at the rate at which it is because and honestly speaking obviously lives won't stop, none of us won't stop
Yeah.
doing what we want to do in our personal lives, and I think everyone has a right to do what they want, but I just feel we need to be very very careful because we might have the best immunity out there, someone might,
Yeah.
and
True.
so just for that, for everyone who's also watching this Diwali, you spend the entire year with your family, so why not just
Yeah.
spend this Diwali also with your family?
Yeah, that's such a nice message. On that note, thank you so much for your time. Sorry for
Thank
taking
you
so
so
much time of
much.
yours.
No
And good
worries.
luck.
Thanks a lot. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care. See ya. Stay safe.